In this video, we will learn how to include conditions in Power Automate Desktop. First of all, let's add a variable with an initial value of hi using the setVariables action. Next, search for Conditionals in the Action search box and drag the If condition from the Action panel to the main panel. Once it is included, a pop-up will be displayed, showing the options for first operand, operator, and second operator. Select the previously added variable as the first operand, set the operator to equals, and provide the required value as the second operand. After this, add a display message action to show the desired message when the condition is met. Similarly, let's add the else condition and configure it to display a different message when the condition is not met. This way, we can handle both scenarios based on the condition's evaluation. Once you have set up the conditions and message displays, you can continue building your Power Automate desktop workflow to achieve your automation goals. Remember to save your workflow regularly and test it thoroughly to ensure it works as expected. Happy automating!
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.